think there's a little secret to these cars. Once you get shocked by it once or twice, you become one with it.
Yo, I ain't here for the money, I ain't here for the fame. Though it might be nice to own a jet plane, I'ma do it all for you. Come along and see it's true, but the world is pretty cool.
Big parts day today. So just got back from Dallas. Picked up this plaid front bumper. She's looking mighty spiffy. Paid $350 for it. Got a steering wheel airbag for $50. Got the knuckle and half the airbags in. I'm gonna go ahead and load up and go to the shop and knock out that knuckle. While I was in Dallas, I asked a buddy to remove the RCM, and he forgot to disconnect the 12-volt system and blew the pyro fuse again. So about a week or two setback. Yay. Let's get this done. Back at this loud shop. Got the knuckles off. Well, this knuckle. There's the new one that came in from a burnt Model S, but it looks like it should work. That's what it's looking like here. Freaking beautiful. Only need one control arm. It's busted, but everything else is looking great. I need a new bracket for the compressor, and that's it. Let's get this thing home. Well, things got out of hand really quick. Fender's off, front bumper is off, all the shielding on the bottom's gone. Found a tie rod that's bent to smithereens, so I got to change that out. And I'm gonna switch out this control arm and put on the knuckle. Knuckle is done. She's looking good and proper. Look at that. What a successful day. With all this traffic around me, can't record anything. What a day. She's finally home. That tire we put on went flat, so that sucks. That's gonna be fun dropping it into the shop, but it is what it is. She's home. So the problem with these Teslas, when they get into an accident, they automatically lock up the rears, and when a tow guy comes up to attach the tow hook, these wheels don't move and they flat spot them like that. And so the rear wheels, always, the tires need to be changed out, which sucks because the tires aren't cheap. But yeah, I got a pretty good deal. $100 a tire, not too terrible. I'm gonna keep them looking like this. I don't think I'm gonna put this centerpiece in. I think that gives it a much better, cleaner look. I'll get some caps for the lug nuts and a cap for the center. Well, it looks like the kids got to the car. Good drawing, kids, good job. Parts day today. Got some parts in. Let's throw that away. Headlight, got another pyro fuse. RCM, brackets, airbags. I think the airbags in total were like $1,000. It's crazy. Got a new radiator support, got some brackets. The wheels are back on. Here's the seat with the deployed airbag. Got to do that. But yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and get underneath and change out that pyro fuse, get the little battery connected and fire it back up. All right, second pyro fuse has been replaced. Had to do some of that finagling. Used the 18-volt battery to unlock the hood because one of the kids pushed the hood down. But I think there's a little secret to these cars. Once you get shocked by it once or twice, you become one with it, you know? So I'm gonna connect this battery. I'm gonna listen to the double click so the contactors close. All right, running out of daytime click. So let's listen for the double click. I think that was it. I think that was it. Oh, make sure this is disconnected. Yep. Yep, she's on. Oh crap. I should have lowered the car on that wheel. That is what it is. All right, car's back on. It's sunny again, so I'm gonna go ahead and work on some things right now. Found out yesterday that I had a bad axle and it's leaking all over the place. So I need to order a new axle. So I don't want to put this wheel on and drive it now. So I'm going to jump in on the inside and start working on these airbags. I got majority of them already. I already have this passenger side, but I need to take everything apart. And what's cool about working with Tesla, on Teslas, is you literally have the whole service manual on how to get this done. You just slide up and it gives you everything step by step what you need to do. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that. It's gonna be hard for me to record because I'm by myself today, but at least I'll try to get that taken apart. Oh, forgot to mention, another damage point. See that? And the door got smacked a little bit. And this whole door, of course, needs to be replaced. And the hood is actually savable. There's just that ding. I called up a buddy of mine that does PDR. I want to see if he wants to be in the video. If he is, then cool. If not, we'll find another way, I suppose. I don't know if I should save this bumper, though. The dashboard's coming off pretty good. Car's so new, it still has the covers on the screen. Pretty cool. I wanted to wait until I finished the rebuild to take them off to feel like a new car, but who knows, might get damaged. I'm not even gonna front, boys. This is one of the hardest dashboards I had to deal with. Golly. This thing comes out as a full piece with that screen. I wonder if this is a screen. Probably not. I always wanted to know what that piece was. I guess we're gonna find out here soon. And battle scars, of course. Fun. I'm gonna pull this thing out and see what that screen looks like on the other side. Put in some bow chicka wow music. If it wasn't for that service manual, look at this. This is how this whole thing comes up. It's the whole thing. It says I need one extra person to do this. Well, let's see if I can Hulkmania this thing. Look at that. Just gotta watch the vents. See? The whole thing is coming out. All right, I'm gonna need two hands. Sorry, boys. It's out. I swear. If somebody ever comments again that I don't do my own work, I'd be very, very mad. Here's the dashboard, the cover. And this screen, I think they wanted to do something with it, but they discontinued this poor thing, so I don't think they're ever gonna do anything with that front screen now. Who knows, maybe, I don't even know. It has a plug on this side. Yeah, who knows? I don't think it does anything though. What an absolute pain in my butt. She's out. Unfortunately, the 2026 does not match up to like the 24s. So this has to be a dealer part,
which isn't bad. It's 840 bucks. But I was really hoping that I would be able to get one from like a 24 or 23. All right. Whew, what a day.